The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is designed for buyers who want SUV practicality without giving up the comfort, reliability, and efficiency that the Corolla name is known for. This compact SUV sits between a hatchback and a full-size crossover, making it ideal for city driving, daily commuting, and small families. From the outside, the Corolla Cross looks modern and confident. The front fascia features a bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and a clean bumper design that gives it a slightly rugged appearance. The raised ride height improves visibility and makes the car feel more commanding on the road. Alloy wheels and subtle body cladding add to the SUV character without making the design look bulky or aggressive. Step inside, and the cabin feels well organized and practical. Toyota has focused on comfort and usability rather than flashy design. The dashboard layout is clean, with easy-to-reach controls and solid build quality. Soft touch materials in key areas make the interior feel premium for its class. The seating position is higher than a sedan, which many drivers prefer for long drives and traffic-heavy routes. The infotainment system in the 2026 Corolla Cross features a large touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is smooth and simple to use, making navigation, music, and calls easy while driving. A digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, including fuel economy, driving modes, and safety alerts. Space is one of the strongest points of the Corolla Cross. The front seats offer good legroom and headroom, while the rear seats comfortably accommodate adults. The rear seat back folds down to expand cargo space, making it suitable for groceries, luggage, or weekend trips. The boot space is generous for a compact SUV, giving it an advantage over traditional sedans. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross offers efficient engine options, including a hybrid variant. The hybrid system delivers excellent fuel economy while maintaining smooth performance. Acceleration is calm and controlled, making it perfect for everyday driving. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease, which is especially useful on mixed city and highway conditions. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features help reduce driver fatigue and increase overall safety, especially during long drives or heavy traffic situations. On the road, the Corolla Cross feels stable and predictable. Steering is light, making parking and tight turns easy. Road noise is well controlled, and the cabin remains quiet even at higher speeds. This makes it a comfortable choice for daily use and family travel. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is a smart choice for buyers looking for reliability, fuel efficiency, modern technology, and SUV practicality in one balanced package. It does not try to be sporty or aggressive, but instead focuses on comfort, efficiency, and long-term value, which is exactly what many drivers want today.